Are you looking for to fix thread login error? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application thread. In the section where you log in into your account, you have to make sure that the login credential that you enter is correct. Sometimes the credentials might be wrong and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. Make sure you have entered all the login credentials correctly. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, search for Thread. Click on this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, tap on Update and update the app. Now move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to head over to General and then move into Date and Time. Make sure that the date and time is set to automatically. After that, go back and head over to VPN and Device Management. Make sure that the VPN is turned off. If it is turned on, simply toggle it off. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.